Best pull-up exercises for beginners. A step-by-step guide to mastering your first pull-up. Pull-ups are one of the best exercises for building upper body strength. They target multiple muscle groups, including your back, shoulders, arms, and even your core, however. If you're new to pull-ups, they can seem incredibly challenging. Don't worry, you're not alone. With the right approach and a few simple modifications, you can build the strength and technique needed to master pull-ups. In this guide, we'll explore the best pull-up exercises for beginners to help you get started and progress toward your first unassisted pull-up. 1. Dead hangs. Dead hangs help build grip strength and get your body accustomed to hanging from the bar, which is the foundation of a pull-up. How to do it. 1. Grab the pull-up bar with an overhand grip, palms facing away from you and shoulder width apart. 2. Hang from the bar with your arms fully extended and shoulders engaged. Pull them slightly back and down. 3. Hold the position for as long as possible. Aim for 20 to 30 seconds to start and gradually increase your time. 2. Negative pull-ups. While it's great, negative pull-ups focus on the eccentric lowering part of the movement, which helps build strength in the muscles used for pull-ups. How to do it. 1. Use a box or jump to get your chin above the bar in the top pull-up position. 2. Slowly lower yourself down as controlled as possible until your arms are fully extended. This should take about 3 to 5 seconds. 3. Rest and repeat for 3 to 5 reps. 3. Assisted pull-ups with resistance bands. Why it's great. Resistance bands provide support by offsetting some of your body weight, making it easier to complete the pull-up motion. How to do it. 1. Loop a resistance band around the pull-up bar and place one foot or knee into the band for assistance. 2. Grab the bar with an overhand grip and pull yourself up until your chin is over the bar. 3. Lower yourself back down slowly and repeat. 4. Australian pull-ups, inverted rows. Why it's great. This exercise is an excellent way to practice pulling in a more horizontal position, making it easier to control while still building back and arm strength. How to do it. 1. Set a bar or suspension trainer at waist height. 2. Lie underneath it with your body straight and your feet extended out in front. 3. Grip the bar with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. 4. Pull your chest toward the bar while keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. 5. Lower back down slowly and repeat for 8 to 12 reps. 5. Lat pull-downs. Why it's great. The lat pull-down mimics the pulling motion of a pull-up while allowing you to control the amount of weight you're lifting. How to do it. 1. Sit at a lat pull-down machine and grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. 2. Pull the bar down toward your chest while keeping your elbows tucked in. 3. Slowly return the bar to the starting position and repeat for 10 to 12 reps. 6. Scapular pull-ups. Why it's great. Scapular pull-ups target the smaller stabilizing muscles in your shoulders and back, which are crucial for a strong and stable pull-up. How to do it. 1. Hang from the pull-up bar with your arms fully extended. 2. Instead of pulling your entire body up, focus on just pulling your shoulder blades down and together. 3. Hold for a second, then release and repeat for 8 to 10 reps. 7. Chin-ups. While it's great, chin-ups with an underhand grip are slightly easier than pull-ups because they engage your biceps more, helping beginners build strength faster. How to do it. 1. Grab the bar with an underhand grip, palms facing you, at shoulder width apart. 2. Pull yourself up until your chin is above the bar. 3. Lower yourself back down slowly and repeat. Tips for success. Consistency is key. Practice these exercises regularly, aiming for 2 to 3 times per week to build up strength. Focus on form. Proper form is essential to avoid injury and ensure you're targeting the right muscles. Progress gradually. As you get stronger, reduce assistance, add reps, or increase time under tension to challenge yourself further. Pull-ups may seem daunting at first, but with these beginner-friendly exercises, you'll build the strength and confidence needed to crush your first pull-up. Start with the basics like dead hangs, assisted pull-ups and negative pull-ups, and gradually work your way up to unassisted pull-ups. Remember, progress takes time, so be patient and enjoy the journey toward achieving this impressive feat of strength. Happy pulling!